Does cardio leave you a little bored with repetition, but you aren't quite ready to tackle free weights yet? Well, the NordicTrack Fusion CST is an excellent compromise, providing users with innovative and engaging cardio workouts that also incorporate full body strength training. With this slick machine, you can target various areas of your body to tone up and strengthen, all while improving your cardiovascular fitness. Tablet and amp, smartphone stand. The Fusion CST comes with a freestanding tablet holder, also capable of holding a smartphone, to use when you're performing exercises that require you to turn your back to the Fusion CST. You can transfer the tablet to the freestanding holder so you can still view the video during these portions of the workout. This device is helpful but may be slightly unnecessary for some. After getting used to the workouts and movements you're doing on the CST, you'll probably be okay with just listening to the video when you have your back turned to the Fusion. Inertia-enhanced flywheel. This is similar to NordicTrack stationary bikes, if you've ever used one of those. It's a super smooth mechanism that makes using the machine really comfortable. As you're pulling on the cables, the weight is evenly distributed so the cables slide in and out without any bumps or hang-ups. This part of the machine comes pre-assembled. Watts and heart rate LED display. The built-in display on the Fusion CST is super simple. You can see your watts, power output, and your heart rate. All other data tracking is done with the tablet that is connected via Bluetooth to your Fusion and your heart rate monitor. Machine assembly. A majority of the Fusion CST comes pre-assembled. It's very easy to piece together. Basically, you just attach the legs, secure the arms in place, and hook on all the handles. The difficulty in assembling the Fusion is due to the weight of the machine. Because it is so heavy, you'll want to assemble the machine in its permanent home. You'll also need the help of a partner, or two, when attaching the legs to the base.